There's something exciting about exploring a new place every year. It can be a new country, a new city, or an interesting spot. There is much more about Munnar that simply cannot be put in words. We woke up at 6:30 in the morning and this is what greeted us.
Hello, good morning guys. I just woke up, it's almost 6:30 in the morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. And we are having a heavy rainfall at Munnar. It's so pleasant. And people are having a lot of fun out here. And people are staying, they're having a lot of fun. They're sleeping. And my wife is still sleeping. This is the place where you stay in the room. This is a deluxe room. I think it's about something around 3,000 rupees per night. We're going to stay here for 2 days. That is yesterday and today.
Whatsoever, the rain can never stop us from exploring. Time to get ready and leave.
It is day 2 at Munnar. Please come soon. Then we have started the journey. It's 9:30 in the morning. It's so chilled, it's so cold. We are enjoying this trip right now. This is how the place is all about. These are my cameras. This is the room where we stayed. She's coming out. She's locking the room. She's there with me and we are heading towards the breakfast. Let me see how the breakfast is all about. Today they are giving us a breakfast. Morning. Please come on the video. Thank you. And we just had the breakfast. Breakfast was very good. We finished the breakfast and we're leaving to. And what is the next place? We'll go for the jeep ride. So come, please come. This is Elijah, our guide, a driver, followed by everything for us. He's like guiding us everywhere. He's taking us jeep ride right now. It is almost a 3 hours ride. Next we'll be going with that. We'll see how fun it will be. And that's the car that's been given by Rose Group International Tours. So nice. Okay, thank you.
We left from our hotel and reached the jeep riding point, and they charged us 2,500 rupees for 3 hours ride.
This is a place where we tend to enjoy with the waterfalls. This is how we have to walk to reach the waterfall. A bit slippery. Use better grip shoes to come here, because in the mist when we came there were 2 people who were somewhat a bit fat and they were falling a lot of times. You may get hurt in this point. So really be careful.
A 4-wheel drive through the hill roads has become one of the most adventurous entertainment. Guiding through your tours, the Jeep Safari would take you down the road of adventure to observe every inch of the natural beauty of Munnar.
This is a river crossing, and in the Jeep itself we'll cross the river. Cross it in the Jeep itself. This is how it looks. Oh my God. sitting. नया जीप itself. अभी next क्या है भाई?
Next hanging bridge.
Hanging bridge. Oh, that's so nice.
That's 100 years old.
100 years old.
British का था. Yeah,
Okay, British people made it. And we're still on the off-roading. Guys, really will have fun if you come here. Off-roading in the Jeep. It's like, you know, very good one. This is how it looks from the back point of view. This is my wife holding it. This is how the Jeep goes. They'll have a 4-wheel drive. It's so fun. You'll really enjoy this. They'll go with the very dangerous spots, and you know they're very experienced drivers. कितना साल से drive कर रहा है भाई?
5 years.
5 साल से, like, you know, they are driving for 5 years. From past years driving, they are driving for this off-roading and all. We have you know, 6 places to see. But there is a U-turn again. I don't know. Wow, amazing place. भाई क्या ना आपका नंबर बोल सकता है? वो बोल दीजिए. 9048765050. Yeah, huh? Shahnaz. His name is Shahnaz. Please do, you know, when you come here, try to his contact number. I'll leave this number in the description below. Very good, very sweet, very humble, very caring guy. Yeah, we are about to start the bridge crossing. Government of PWD Kerala.
Balancing is 2 ropes.
Oh, okay.
There is no support.
Okay, there is no support. It's balanced with only 2 ropes there. This is how it looks. Wait a second. I'm taking the video. Can we go here, bro?
Yeah.
This is how the bridge looks, and there, that is how the car comes down here. People are enjoying their views. They'll stop here for us for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. After having off-roading, we are at Ponmudi Dam, right? Yeah, it's a Ponmudi Dam. It's been built by British, same again, and it's almost 100 years ago. 100 years ago might be at 1919. They have not mentioned anything out here. Now, we'll be heading towards that point itself. Can you see that point? On the road. Yes, now we are heading towards the bridge. You know, that's so awesome. This is how we enter into the bridge. Oh God, there is a jeep coming over there in the opposite direction. We have space for 2 jeeps to come. Sufficient number of space. There is the hanging bridge. Small point which is there. There is a hanging bridge. I'll mark and show. This is how it looks. This is how we go. Yeah, college guys, I believe. They're having a lot of fun. It's double direction.
bridges under देखो डैम का डेप्थ 708 मीटर है.
There can you see the depth? You know, the video is not that. You know, we can't zoom it out. We are the place where Chennai Express shooting took place. You know, it's very good. This is where the jeeps comes from. The point where the persons are standing there. That is from there. That point only jeep came. Jeep comes down, and here the jeep falls off inside the river, and that is where Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone, like, you know, shouts off to each other. That's so epic and so nice. If we take towards the left, my hands are going in this direction. That is where the dam entrance is. Dam which we came right now. That is the dam place. Really fantastic view. If you can see at the top, it has got very good views all around.
And that was the end of the Jeep ride. We were too hungry and this heaven came across us. Just have a look at it.
We are at the Safari Hotel and Restaurant, Munnar Road, near HP petrol bunk. Anachal. It's like, you can get Chinese, Arabic, Alfam, North Indian, Kerala fast food. We are here recording. And this day it's served. And right now we have ordered for chicken bamboo biryani. You can see the price list out here. It's of 200 rupees. And we have asked for spicy one. And we have ordered for curd rice because our stomachs are not that good. So that's the reason. As usual, it's Lijubai out here, and my wife, she has mixed up pepper and salt for 7-Up, and she's enjoying the drink. I don't know how far it is good. She's calling all the ones who has to do the payments to her. Every time business, this girl is undergoing. Okay, let's wait for the bamboo biryani to come, and I'll be back with the video. The curd rice they've given. They've not yet given me the bamboo biryani, and they just brought me this lime, sweet and salt lime. There is a pickle out here. You can taste it with the pickle. And this is the curd rice. There is less amount of curd in this. Okay, Lejubai will explain. What is this, bhai? Salas. This is salas. Like, how do we have this?
Only like this for the biryani, also must take salas and pickle.
Pickle. That is good. With biryani. Biryani also we can have pickle. That's so nice.
Biryani famous pickle and salas.
Okay. This is our as Lijubai. He's explaining things very well because he's the only guide for us. Next we'll be going to which place? Wonder Valley. They'll charge us 1,000 rupees, it seems. They just told me that. And yeah, amazing pack. Almost 55 games are there. They'll charge 1,000 rupees only for that game. All 55 games. That's so cheapest we have ever found. Let me check. That's the bamboo biryani out there. Yeah. No, share it with all three. Check. It's pushing. This is how they push. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough, bro. No, there is an egg. There's an egg. Okay. Put it there. It's over. Okay.
When we are truly hungry, every meal feels like heaven. As we finished our lunch, we left to Wonder Valley, the adventurous spot.
I've just told before, we are at this place called Wonder Valley. And we are going on the hanging bridge right now. Hey, don't jump. Hey, careful. It's been tied with the rope. Yeah.
And these are some games we played. As we were about to finish, we were tired and we left to the room and rested.
Tried all the 55 games which were there, except the scary ones. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. See you in the next vlog, which covers the episode of Alleppey Backwaters. Until then, take care and bye.